Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download and install Netflix application. So Netflix is a subscription-based streaming service that allows its members to watch TV shows and movies without any commercials on an internet-connected device. You can also download TV shows and movies to your iOS, Android or Windows 10 device and watch without any internet connection. Sounds great, right? So to enjoy all these facilities and to enter in the world of Netflix, we have to learn how to install it first. So to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. So to download the Netflix application, first of all tap on Play Store. After tapping on Play Store, type Netflix on the search box and tap on search. Now tap on the green button of install on the top right corner. Now the process has been started and you just have to wait for it to get installed. So the Netflix application has already been installed. Now all you need to do is tap on open and enjoy Netflix as per your like. So this is how we can easily install Netflix. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.